Hey folks, Derek Couto here with Couto Construction. Winter is officially here, and as the cold weather sets in, it's the perfect time to talk about energy efficient windows, especially with all those extremely high energy costs. As a homeowner, you can see energy savings between 10 to 30%, depending on the condition of your windows, home's insulation, and the climate. While the results may vary, homeowners notice improved comfort in their homes with lower heating costs in the winter and cool savings in the summer. Since we're on the subject of windows, one of the most frequently asked questions we receive on windows is it more affordable to replace all your windows at once? The answer is yes. Windows are cheaper when you buy them in bulk. It's more cost-effective in the long run to replace all your windows at once rather than one at a time. So this winter, consider staying warm with energy-efficient windows and saving yourself some money.